Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the easiest and laziest way to make money online by using an affiliate product that is inside a affiliate network that is called ClickBank. However, you can use any affiliate network that you want, and you can use any affiliate offer. You only need to follow the step-by-step process that I'm going to show you in this video. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and do like this video. And if you have any question related to this video, then please do comment in the comment section below. Now I'm going to show you everything in a step-by-step process, so watch this video till the end so that you can learn and implement everything I'm going to show you in this video. So without doing any delay, let's get started. So if you don't have an account on ClickBank, then I would suggest you to sign up to ClickBank, but you can sign up to any other platform that you want and promote similar type of offer that I'm going to show you. So once you log into your ClickBank dashboard and go to this marketplace, and if you click on this search, then you'll see several affiliate products that are inside here, and you can sort it out by gravity. And here is the product that is in the fourth line, that is the smoothie diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. So in this video I'm going to take an example by promoting, I'm going to show you an example of promoting this product in a step-by-step process. So first thing you need to do is you need to click on this promote, and you can click on create hook link. So this is going to be your affiliate link. You can simply copy it for now, and after that what you need to do is you need to go to this affiliate page. So it is extremely important to have an or any offer that doesn't have this affiliate page, then there is no use of promoting that product by using this method. And once you click on this affiliate page, then you can simply scroll below and click on this get your affiliate tools here, and then you can scroll below. You can read these things if you want, okay, and scroll below. And here you can see email swipe, banners and product image. So we need banners and product image, so simply click to download. So now it will be downloaded at here in few seconds, and you can click on show in folder and cut this and paste it in by creating a new folder called images, and right click on here and click on extract here. So now here you will see all the in this banners, okay, you will see all the images that you can use. So we need this image, okay, now for this example. So now after you did this much, then what you can do is you can go to canva.com. so and in Canva, just click on create a design and click on Insta story. Don't worry, I am not saying you to have some follower on Instagram or something like that. We are going to directly promote it in Instagram, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So now if you search your Instagram story and click on here, then you will see this. And after this, Canva is absolutely free to use, okay, and then you can click on upload, okay, and click on upload media, and then go to the images that we just extracted, go to banner and go to this one number and click on this one and click on open. So now you can simply, so it is being uploaded here, click on here and just increase the size of this image in this way, okay, and just click here to get the recipe. Just crop it up to here, okay, and you can make it a little bit large, and you can pull it a little bit up also, okay. So once you do, so just pull it a little bit here and make it a little bit large. So now this seems good. No, it doesn't. So let's increase it, okay. So now it seems good. So now what you can do, you can go to element and click on here, right swipe up. So let's hit enter, and so you need to buy this kind of swipe up if you use this kind, but we are going to use a free swipe up. So let's select for a free one. So let me select it a good one for free. So whichever this pro return, that all we need to pay, so we are not going to use that kind of swipe up. You can use this. So again it vanished. So this is free one, or let's see another one. This you can use this one also and make it a little bit small and put it in this way. Okay, so now it seems fine. Let me put it in middle. Okay, so once you do dismiss, then click on share and click on download and click on download here. So now after that, let's download it first. Okay, again the internet became slow. Always this problem is happening with my internet. I think I need to change my ISP. Okay, now it's download. Okay, so now it is already downloaded. So let's click on show in folder and cut it, and let's create. So let's put this one at here. Sorry, let's paste it at here. Story. So now it will look something like this in the Instagram story. Okay, this story will not appear at here. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, add this one very smooth ingredient and burn 3 pounds in 3 days. So this kind of story you will be able to make. So now what you need to do after that is, you don't need to create your Instagram page. Okay, I'm not saying that. So now the work of Canva is over. So now you need this landing page. Okay, so I have already made this landing page for you, and you can get this landing page for absolutely free by clicking a link in the description that is of this system IO, and it is absolutely free. To show you for now, so let's see in pricing. So for $0 you can keep on using it for month after month, and you can build up to 3 sales funnel with 10 sales funnel steps. So you can create up to 10 landing page in simple words. So this is just a one landing page, and I have also other landing page in this share funnel that I am going to give you in the description of this video. You can simply click on that and sign up to the system IO for free. You don't need to put your credit card info, and you'll get all of this landing page which is related to other affiliate product also. Okay, so now in our case this is the landing page. Okay, and this is going to be the link that we are going to use, okay, to promote the smoothie diet. So what you can do is, after signing up to system IO, and you can click on funnels, or you can, if there is not anything, then you can see a link like this, or drop down link, drop down. Okay, just drop down and see where is the funnels in this way, and go to this funnels, and then you will see like affiliate landers. Okay, you will see affiliate landers. Just click on that affiliate lander, and you will see this, the smoothie diet there. So once you see that, then you can change the text that is at here. You can change the text that is at here, and once you have done that, simply click on save and click on this edit page. So now if you want a full course for absolutely free that is related to system IO, if you want to learn each and everything about system IO in a step-by-step process, then I have a full course that I am going to give away for you for free. And you just need to sign up to system IO with my link, and fill the claim form that I will be giving you in the description of this video. Simply fill that form and ask me for a free course for system IO, and there are step-by-step tutorials in that course, which you can see, and you will learn each and everything from creating your business email to attaching your domain to this platform and creating funnels, creating landing page. Everything you will learn in that full course. Okay, so for now, this is the landing page that you are going to use, and it is extremely simple. All of these are images which I have taken from the official site of Smoothie Diet, and I have given a button at here. However, you can use all image in, sorry, you can use all the links in this image also, okay, if you want. So now what you need to do is click on promote and generate hop link, and copy this link and come to this editor and click on this setting button in this bottom, and open link in same window, open link in new window you can do, or open link in same window, which is fine. And here you can see it is open URL. Okay, and here you can put your affiliate link of ClickBank and click on save. So now if you want to use link in the images, then you can simply click on this setting, okay, and click on this, here is open URL, and click on here and paste that hop link in this way and click on save. You can do the same thing in this other image also. So once you have done that much, you just need to do this much only for this if you want to use this landing page. And you can simply click on here, and then you can simply click on this view funnel step, and here you will see your link to this landing page. So now let me show you how this landing page will look in mobile phone. So in mobile phone, if you click on here, then you will see this kind of view you will have on mobile phone. Okay, so now you need to just copy this link, and now you need traffic. Okay, you need people who will buy this product from your landing by visiting your landing page and then to your affiliate link of ClickBank. So now for that you need to go to southcard.com. Just sign up to southcard.com. It is absolutely free to sign up to Southcard. And if you click on this influencer, after signing up to this platform, you click on this influencer, and then if you scroll below, and you can deselect all of these. Okay, you just need Instagram only, and click on this and deselect everything and only select this fitness. Then you will see some influencer with this much follower, 1 million follower, 288, 209, okay, 149k. So now what price, up to what price you can pay? Okay, like you may be able to pay $36, or you may be able to pay $29, or you may be able to pay $19, $10, whatever amount you can pay. So okay, just deselect this all thing. We only need Instagram. Okay, so now you can see here their price and their followers, total followers. Now what will they do is they will put your picture that we have just created in their story and attach that with the link that you provide, and that link would be of this landing page which has our affiliate link. So now to do this, what you need to do is, let's say you want to order from let's say which one it would be 9. Okay, so $40. Okay, let's click on here. So okay, so let's say they have 50k followers on Instagram. Okay, so now it will cost you $30 to put a shout out for 24 hours feed post. If you want to put feed post, it will cost you $30, and permanent feed post will cost you $40. Now here what we need is story plus link. Okay, you can click on here and you will just need to pay $15 for this. So the story that we have previously created was this one. Okay, so now you need to provide that person this story and this landing page link. Okay, and once you give these two things by after paying $15, or you can also contact him or her and talk about, you can see the demographic from it is 25% from United States and other are from Brazil, France, Italy. Okay, so and then you can simply click on this and purchase this and spend $15 to show off your landing page, your story to up to thousands and up to like 50k followers. Okay, they will post their story so that it can reach up to thousands of people in their Instagram page. And this story is integrating this in this story is enticing for people. Okay, add this one with smoothie ingredient and burn 3 pounds in 3 days. So they'll think what we need to add to this, and we'll be able to lose this kind of weight. They will be interested and they will swipe up. Okay, they will swipe up and they will visit to your landing page. And if they like what that is, like we have given before and after, okay, people will be attracted and impressed by this kind of landing page, and they will click on this button and hopefully they will purchase that product, and you will see some commission in your ClickBank dashboard. So it is as simple as this to make money online by using affiliate product that is inside ClickBank. However, you can use any affiliate network to promote similar kind of fitness product by the help of this shortcut, and it is just $15 to show for up to 50,000 people. And you can also select other influencer and keep the, if you start to get sales, you can hire more influencer, and there are other sites also like shortcut which you can join and keep on hiring influencer to keep on making money online by using fitness affiliate product. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. If it added any value to your life, then please do like this video and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question regarding this video, do ask to me in the comment section. And if you are interested in creating passive income, in making passive income, then do check a link that I have given in the description and go through it and see if it is good fit for you then or not, and check that. And if it is good fit for you,